Pakistan has expanded its military presence near the strategically sensitive Sir Creek sector, opposite India's Gujarat coast, deploying special forces, Turkish FPV attack drones, Chinese hovercraft and layered coastal defense systems. Garden Reach shipbuilders will launch the third of 11 next-generation offshore patrol vessels tomorrow that are being built for the Indian Navy. India's Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence has urged the government to fast-track funding for hypersonic missiles, while creating dedicated testing infrastructure and setting clear development timelines to prevent program delays. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is reviving Su-30 production at its Nashik facility to manufacture 12 additional fighters for the Indian Air Force under the 13,500 crore rupees contract signed in December 2024, with deliveries expected to begin in 2027 and conclude by 2029. Armenian army personnel have praised India's Akash-1's surface-to-air missile system during ongoing air defense exercises, highlighting its mobility, automation and multi-target engagement capability. An Armenian unit commander has said that the system can track up to 60 aerial targets and simultaneously engage up to 16 targets, with engagement parameters of 30 km range and 18 km altitude. The Aeronautical Development Agency has issued a tender for an optical blue light 3D scanner to inspect AMCA components against their digital CAD models. The system will detect tiny surface deviations, panel warping and manufacturing errors that could affect the aircraft's radar cross-section and stealth performance, while enabling faster and more precise quality checks during prototype development. DRDO's gas turbine research establishment is targeting major improvements in the Kaveri 2.0 engine program, focusing on higher thrust, lower weight and advanced materials. GRSE has planned to reduce its weight from the existing 1,235 kg to nearly 1,100 kg, with future versions targeting less than 1,000 kg, achieved through modular redesign, additive manufacturing, composite structures and advanced single-crystal turbine blades. The Kaveri 2.0 is targeting around 59 kN of dry thrust and 90 to 100 kN with afterburner. GRSE is also using digital twin modeling and predictive fatigue analysis to improve reliability and accelerate development. Israel's push to reduce long-term dependence on the United States and develop an indigenous stealth combat aircraft could open a major opportunity for cooperation with India. The strategic case has become stronger following the Mecca defense framework involving Pakistan, Turkey and Saudi Arabia, which has the support of the United States, an agreement that brings together countries that increasingly view India and Israel as major strategic adversaries. India and Israel could jointly pursue a common fifth-generation architecture combining a stealth fighter with an unmanned combat variant. India could contribute airframe design, stealth shaping, manufacturing and weapons integration, while Israel could bring advanced radars, electronic warfare, sensor fusion, artificial intelligence, and an extensive experience in developing advanced unmanned combat systems. A jointly funded program could reduce development costs, strengthen technological sovereignty, and create an exportable family of manned and unmanned stealth aircraft. Today's top 3 comments.